more talk of a vaccine. Many are hopeful COVID-19 restrictions will be lifted soon. Today, the state's COVID-19 task force will host its weekly meeting to discuss where counties across the state stand in the fight against coronavirus.
Now, ahead of that meeting, the governor provided an update and had one specific request for all Nevadans. 13 Action News anchor Nina Porshukala joins us live right now with more on the governor's push to get you tested. Nina?
Dave Galena, right now the governor remains cautious and he wants to make sure that we are not moving too fast in lifting those restrictions in place. This also comes after the Labor Day weekend where we saw large gatherings, and that's also why Nevada health officials are pushing for you to get tested for COVID-19. Those tests available in many different places, including the Southern Nevada Health District, where you could schedule an appointment. Now, one thing to keep in mind, insurance companies are required to cover with no out-of-pocket cost testing for COVID-19, as well as visits to urgent care, the emergency room, or your doctor's office if you are experiencing symptoms. Right now, there's a downward trend for COVID hospitalizations, and case numbers are decreasing in the state, as well as the 7-day test positivity rate. Contact tracing is working. The governor says about 24% of all of our cases here in Nevada have been identified as a result of contact tracing efforts. Now, health officials say the COVID Trace app has been a big help in this, and they're encouraging everyone to download it so that they can be contacted directly through the app if they have been exposed. Now, the COVID-19 task force again will meet later at 10 this morning. The governor has asked the group to review the current restrictions in place, including the large gatherings that have been capped here in the state of Nevada. And if they are able to come up with a plan, we can see those large gatherings be allowed in churches and business meetings. For now, reporting live, the Emperor Shukla 13 Action News.